We're now on the way Nazare. It's a good 2-kilometre walk from where, and this is our third and final attempt to see some waves. And I mean third, 2 out of 3. It's absolute weather, not kind to us, let's put it that way. So let's go and see some waves. Here we are, Nazare, the south, and we've got to get up to walk up there. Ooh. We have some good news and some bad news for you. You can see the big ones coming. Storm, and it's absolutely, yeah, okay, we're gonna have to hide. It's a bit wet with ponchos. I didn't go around the corner. This is what going back now. Actually, it's not more inspiring. End to our trip to Nazare. Very closed vernacular. Pegasus is near that tower. By anybody's standard, that is a long way down.